do it. Number 6 of a 2 box. Good luck. Number 6 of a 2 box. And then full case 6 is next. Full case 6. It's select week, Daniel. That's what's so good about this. It's select week. Take your full case random tiers. Full case random colors. Full case PYTs. Take them. Everyone hit like. So full case 6 is right there, guys. Really close. Full case 6 is right there. It's next. And then we have full case random color. The random color is full. Number 2. Sources are telling me that full case 6 is sold out. That's what the people are telling me? Is that what the sharps are saying? Full case 6 is sold out. So the next 2 full cases, guys, are sold out. What color is that? Is that bronze? Ooh, we have some gold. We have some gold. Wake up. Wake me up, Birdie718. Wake me up, 718. You have to wake me up.
Yes, wake up.
Couldn't sleep last night because it selects. I'm half asleep. I need sleep. We love gold. We have gold. All right, so the next 2 full cases are full, guys. Take your full cases. Wiggins. Jaren Jackson Silver. Jersey piece. Blue Scope. Kyrie. Shane. I feel like we've hit like 500 Inflago Cades.
Literally.
Like, it's insane. I don't know what's happening. The industry's not normal. Ooh, we got a sick piece coming. We have Middleton Neon. Shane. Keegan. Santi, Jersey Auto, 199. Grizzlies. What's that? Nice. Nice exclusive. To 30, it's Jaden Hardy. B23. Nice piece. He's in there? We got a nice piece behind it. How about a die-cut orange of Ben Caro? Nice hit, Jimmy. What's up, Henny and Penny? Select has been absolutely insane, guys. It's making a run for its money on Product of the Year. It's not even a joke. It's making a run for the money. Ayo for the Bulls. Where's Ortiz? Helmar. This is making a run for its money, guys. And if you don't believe me, the next 2 full cases are sold out. And you'll see it. Good luck. Jokic silver. Sohan silver. Try of Ben Caro. We got bricks in here. We got golds. We got a lot of stuff. Where is Dinero or Otero? Where are they? Nice team match for Hilmar. Dalen Terry, red, Bulls. If you you like bricks, this is your product too. If you're a brick guy. Orange Pulsar. It's Tyler Hero for the Heat. Iggy, PC. Purple Pulsar RPA. It's a rocket. It's the right rocket. Jabari Purple Pulsar RPA. Beautiful piece for DH. Proud of him on that one. Light blue of Daniels for the Pelicans. Rip Hamilton to 99 red auto. We have some type of gold. Good luck. Keegan. Ooh. It's for the Suns and Mango. BI silver jersey. It's for JP Mango. Sensations gold. 6 of 10. Nice piece for JP. Very nice piece. Unstoppable. And then a Jabari Smith. So what a 2-boxer that was. That was incredible. That was incredible. A lot of beat the sorts for a 2. A lot of beat the sorts. What's up, or oh no, it's Vasquez. What's up, Vasquez? Crazy. Beat the sort for Mango. Palo Orange. Beat the sort that. And obviously Jabari Purple Pulsar. RPA beat the sort that. Nuts.